Tia, and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly wig-related content here, so that's something you're interested in, go ahead and subscribe. So this little beauty is a subscriber request. So we are doing an Outre wig today, and this is their lace front line, Swiss lace eye-shaped parting, and this is Miss Shataya. I'm pretty sure it's Shataya. I have her in the color DRFF2/613. She's a lace front wig with a lace parting, heat safe up to 400 degrees. I scooped her from Wig Types for $27.79. I love this wig. Not only do I love the wig, I just absolutely love the color. The color is amazing. It's a number 2. It's hard to describe. It's more of like a warmer, sort of a dark chocolatey color. It's not just a traditional number 2. And if you can see, there's some of these like ashy brown highlights in the back, and then you have the 613 in the front. It's super interesting. I love the color. I love this style where it's sort of like straight at the ends. I have found in general that wigs that have 613, even if it's just a 613 highlight, that they tangle where the 613 is. I'm not really sure why that is. So I'm getting a tiny bit of tangling. This is a yaki textured wig, so there's a little bit of texture to it. So comfortable. The wig cap's so comfortable. I will say though, it's not a small wig cap. Like I don't have the combs in, so there's like some room, but it's not really going anywhere. So I'd say more of an average wig cap type. An average wig cap. Now let's look at her from the back. I didn't do much to get her together at all. I just took heat to the part. I pretty much always take heat to the part. Oh, look at that back. So pretty. Loving the movement. This would be a great everyday wig in a color that you like. I always take heat to the part simply because I like things to be flat, but I also feel like if it's out of the package or just in general, you can sort of meld it to your own personal head shape. So that's why I pretty much do it no matter what. I'll show you the clips of what I did to get her together, but I'm loving this wig. Absolutely loving this wig. I'd say this is all the hair to the front. Reasonable density. It's not too thick at all. She's going to be probably 16 inches long. I think this is just a perfect length. You can go out with her looking cute. You can just be at work looking cute. You can just be in your house like I do looking cute. So that's what I had for you for Miss Shataya. Let me know, do you have this wig? Do you like this wig? Do you have another color? Is there another color that you would suggest? Put that down below. If there's another Outre wig you would like me to review, also put that down below. And if you have subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.